Guys, welcome back to another video. It's Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be attempting to bling some nails. I had this vision in mind where I have like clear glass nails with blinged out pearls and rhinestones. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, so to start out with, I have my press-on nail stand here, or practice nail stand, whatever you want to call it. I got this as a 4-pack on Amazon. Everything literally basically I bought on Amazon, so I'll put all the links to all the products I've used today in the description box down below. So you're going to need, well, you don't really need the press-on nail stand, but since I already have nails on my hands, I'm just going to use these to prep for my next set. So I have my press-on nails. Is actually what you're going to need. These are BT Art Box Coffin style nails, and honestly these are my favorite. They make them for like smaller size nails, and their C-curve is amazing. I don't know if you can see that. It's like super clean and neat, and the nails themselves are really like pretty thick already, so you don't really have to build them up, and they won't bend. And they have, my pinky nail fits perfectly. They're size 10. So I'll just tell you very quickly what sizes I wear. This is a size 3 for the thumb. My 3 other fingers in the middle here are size, I believe, 7. And then my pinky is a size 10. Okay, so we're going to be testing out this. Ooh, it's kind of hard to see, huh? This glue gel. This is like Morovan nail glue gel. Basically it's just a really thick like clear gel, like a gummy super sticky icky clear gel, and this holds onto the rhinestones nice and tight, and it keeps them from moving around on the nail as you're placing them on, which is great. And also in my last video I had a rhinestone haul where I got a whole bunch of rhinestones. It might have been a little hard to see, but there are just so many, and I just showed you really quickly, so I'm just using a few today for this nail design. I've already laid out some here, hopefully you can see, in that little black circle, like of a cuticle cuff of pearls and rhinestones. Did I just mess it up? I just laid it out just to see what it would look like if I like the look, and I do. Yes, baby.
Mommy is my hungry.
Oh, you're hungry? Okay, I'll get you a snack. I'll get you a snack in 1 second, okay?
Hungry.
Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, you want to feed me? Oh, what is that? It's a fish. Thank you. He's so sweet. Again, if you're new to my channel, my son interrupts me, aka joins me in the video almost every time, basically every time, because he's always by my side. I am a full-time mom, so yep, watching him constantly. Anyways, so I mentioned in my previous video how I probably wouldn't use the tweezers because it's kind of hard to use, but I think in this case, like, I did a practice nail late last night just to see if I can even set the rhinestones on, if I can see them, because they're so tiny, and I had a hard time like flipping them in the right direction. I know if you're a diamond painter, like they have those little boats, those trays, but you would have to pour out a lot of them and shake them up and put them back, and with the variety of stones I'm using, I'm kind of lazy, so I decided to use my tweezer to flip them over, and that was a lot easier, so I definitely recommend the tweezers. They do come in almost every kit. And then I'm also going to be using the gel brush that came with the nail glue gel. And yep, let's get started. I think I'm just going to be doing a cuff at the moment, so let me just move you guys there. I'm going to be doing a cuff on the edge of the nail. So by cuff I mean like right here next to the cuticle. I like to call it a cuticle cuff. I don't know what it's really called, but yeah, cuticle bling or something. Excuse that. He's a pirate now. Okay, I haven't thought out the entire set. Like in my mind, I feel like the ring fingers should be like glittered out and then jeweled, and maybe these all cuffed. I'm just gonna start with the pointer, and we'll see how that goes. So I'll put that there, and this is my gel brush. Let's see, can you guys see that? Go. Gonna just open my gel and just grab a little bit. I'm just gonna, it's like super thick. Do you see this? And just grab a bit here and close this back up. Okay. And hopefully, oh, good job. And I'm just going to just blob this onto the nail. I'm gonna brush backwards because we don't want it under the nail. It's really thick, guys. Yes,
Mommy, you scoop it yourself.
oh, you caught the fish yourself? Let me see. Wow, that looks delicious. Thank you. Yes.
Drop it.
Can you not drop it?
And dropping my fish.
Oh, I just painted my own finger. Okay. So, like I said, this is really sticky. Really sticky stuff. I'm just trying to get a thick enough layer. I don't want it too thick. Okay, and I believe I brushed my finger. I need to stop touching it. My nail right now is so long. I'm not used to the length. So, okay. Let me just get this napkin. Just wipe it down. Okay, I'm gonna need to wipe it down. I'm gonna put this right here. It's a little sticky. I'm gonna just grab some alcohol and wipe down my finger. I'll be right back. Okay, so I was having a lot of trouble trying to just even find the cuticle area because it's clear and I can't see that well. So I decided to just bunch them all up in the back here, or at least try to, and I'm just gonna cover this whole nail with pearls. It's gonna take me a while, so I'm not gonna film it because it'll just be tedious and boring. So let me come back when I'm done with this nail. Oh, thanks, baby.
Yeah, it's my big of you.
Hold on. So this is what I have so far. Yeah, the placement is horrendous, but I think from far away it'll look okay, right? I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. But yeah, this took forever. I really can't see, and it's like not catching here. But just want to make sure it's like not hanging off the edge. But because the nail is clear, I guess it kind of... Why is it so blurry? Okay. It kind of would pass. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. This is like my first attempt at doing a full nail. And yeah, I'm not happy with it. But, you know, it will take practice. I think I need to come up with a plan before I start adhering the jewels. But yeah. Baby, what do you think about this? Is it beautiful?
It's my favorite video too.
Okay, but do you like this? Or no? Okay. Silence. I guess he doesn't like it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna cure this.
Mommy, if I do it.
Okay. I mean, I probably could add smaller stones in places, but... Oh, okay, you do it.
Your turn.
Okay, your turn.
My turn.
But yeah, I'll cure it. And then, yep, that's about it for now.
My turn.